Hi everyone, welcome to Tuesday at 2 Real Estate Live today. It took a couple extra minutes to get myself together. I had to make sure I looked okay for the camera. Today I want to talk to you about doing the same thing with your house. Make sure that it looks okay for the camera. Make sure that it looks amazing. So the market is phenomenally great right now for getting top dollar, and it only takes a few minutes to a week to straighten up, do a little painting, maybe change a light fixture, whatever it is you need to do. So I'm here to tell you, it's okay to be in a hurry. You should be in a hurry, but do your stuff now before the camera shows up. If you don't have a program, you can call me. We have a revitalized program where we can actually put the money up front, get some painting done, change some knobs, change a vanity, do some fix-its, whatever you need to do, and you can pay it back later. So get a hold of your agent, get that done. If you don't have someone to help you do it, you can call me, Marjorie Dick Stuart, 240-731-8079. So get your place looking good before the camera shows up. Do it fast. Be in this amazing market. Please tell your friends, send this video around, and next week I'll have a new message, Tuesday at 2, Real Estate Live today. Thanks for watching.